Hey there, welcome to PR Knowledge Network, and I'm again available with a mesmerizing and a fascinating topic called IELTS, well known for the International English Language Testing System. Well, my dear friends, today I will be sharing some tips and tricks on the writing module of IELTS. Well, if you know and if you are preparing for the IELTS for scoring a good marks in your IELTS test, then this video is especially for you. Well, let's get started. Well, my dear friends, the writing module is one of the term from the IELTS which gives and checks your ability on writing about the conversation, about yourself, about your personalities, and that checks about the appropriate ways of your communication in the writing way. Well, we will be talking about this topic only and only today in this video. Well, the writing module contains about the vocabulary and your way of writing, your way of holding the words properly in a sentence, and the way how you uses the words, how you describe a sentence in the short words or long words, or you can use the idioms instead of that. And I am here to tell you some tricks as well how you can write all those things. Well, for example, if you are writing about a request letter, if you are from general category and you're writing about a request letter, then you can write and you can use those kind of words which are very less used by the native speakers as well, and you will be using that word. And what are those words? I have some words, a vocabulary for you. Well, let's have a check on it. And those vocabulary are a kind of words. Well, let's describe it. If you want to say that I am working over here for a long time, for 10 years, then what you can say? You can say I'm working here for a decade. What you would say? You would say that I'm working over here for 10 years. But no, this is not a native speaker writing. You have to use those kind of words which explains the large sentence in a short. For example, there you can use the word decade. Decade means a time period of 10 years. And if you want to write or describe a person, or whether that is your friend, if you want to describe that person in an informal letter, then you can say that a friend I was having, he was a lover of eating and he used to eat a lot. These kind of sentence you will be using, but this matters a lot over there. Then what you can do, you can use the word gaurand. The gaurand word means a lover of eating, who eats a lot. Well, if we move next, then these kind of words relates your sentence and your letter, whatever the task you got by the test takers. Well, let's move to the academic category. Well, academic category contains all those kinds of questions from your academic years, from your back years when you were in the schools, or maybe those kind of things from your books as well, like describing about a situation, describing about a graph, about a diagram, about a pictograph, which basically means the lines, and all those things we'll be discussing in upcoming videos as well. Well, let me describe this thing as well. If you are prepared with the graphs, with the diagram, then this does not seem the last, because there you have to write about all those kind of situations like what situation about your daily hobbies, but you don't have to take it too personally. For example, sometimes what happens, a person, if he is describing about any kind of situation, then that person uses what he or she uses the words which takes this whole paragraph, the whole writing page context into the too personal, in a deep way which describe the situation. Well, this is too much wrong, because there you have to just describe your writing ability, not your feelings and experiences. No, the experience of writing only, not about your way of living. Well, these all things have to keep in your mind. And what will work in your academic? Your academic will be mostly dependent on the graphs, on the diagram, and all about writing from grammars. What grammars actually means? The grammars about the phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs means you may get over there where you have to use the long sentence in a short term. That would be a word, a single word that describes a whole situation. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button, share it, comment as much as you can, and share it as much as you can. Do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming latest videos updates. Well, thank you so much. Signing out, Priyanshu.